One more sunrise, one more chance. Wake up with the sunlight shining through your door. Every brand new morning gives a little more. Leave behind the voices trying to divide. There is so much beauty waiting outside. Listen to the sparrows singing in the trees. Feel the gentle blessing riding on the breeze. Life becomes much lighter when the heart is free, growing like the branches of a mighty tree. Oh, hold your head up to the sky. Never fear the reason why. Love is stronger every day, light in every hidden way. We are the light of tomorrow, leaving behind this sorrow. Hand in hand we'll find a way, brighter than the break of day. We are the light of tomorrow, sharing hope for every soul. Every dream is new. Still the stars above are shining over me and you. Every smile can change another heart today. Tiny sparks can chase the dark away. Keep believing even when the rain comes down. Flowers always bloom again from broken ground. No fear, no hate. Only love can change our fate. Tomorrow shines. Across the mountains, across the sea, the same blue sky belongs to you and me. Different languages, different songs we sing, still our hearts all beat to the very same rhythm. No one can stop doing from blowing free. No border holds the waves upon the sea. Every sunrise paints the world again, giving hope where there was pain. Feel the heartbeat of the earth. Every soul has endless worth. Under one blue sky we stand. Hope is growing through the land. Every voice becomes one sound. Peace is where true love is found. Silence speaks much louder than the noise it stills. Hold your family close, protect your dreams with care. Kindness is the greatest wealth we share. Step by step, heart by heart. Every ending is a brand new start. One blue sky, one bright sun, one love, forever one. the seed, watch it grow. Every flower starts as just a little seed, growing strong with patience, sunlight and belief. Life is not a race to reach the highest hill. Sometimes peace is found by standing still. Listen to the raindrops falling on the ground. Nature writes a song without a single sound. Every moment has a gift to share, if we lead the world with love and care. Keep your spirit open wide, yeah. Let compassion be your guide. Plant the seeds of peace today, let them grow in every way. Every heart can bloom again after sunshine, after rain. Plant the seeds of peace today. Oh, love will always find a way. Storms may shake the tallest tree, still its roots run wild and free. Stand together, never fall apart. Strength begins inside the heart. When tomorrow calls your name, carry kindness like a flame. The earth keeps turning, the river singing. Hope is carried on every wind. Plant the seed, watch it grow. Love forever, let it flow. Oh yeah, rise again, feel the light. One more day. When the morning sun is rising over distant hills, every little heartbeat slowly finds its will. Birds are singing stories carried by the breeze. Life is growing stronger underneath the trees. Every step we take becomes another chance. Every dream is waiting for a single glance. Leave behind the fear that followed yesterday. Love will always find another way. No chains can hold the soul, no darkness owns the dawn. The river keeps on flowing, forever moving on. Rise with the morning sun, our journey has begun. Hold your faith, keep standing tall. Love will never let us fall. Rise with the morning sun, together we are one. Every mountain we will climb, one heartbeat at a time. Fields are turning golden underneath the sky. Clouds may come tomorrow, but they'll pass us by. Every smile you give becomes another flame, lighting up the world without asking for a name. was meant to be. Let the wind remind us who we are. Every soul can shine just like a star. No matter where the road may lead tonight, keep your spirit burning bright. Rise again, hold the light. Morning comes forever. Love remains forever. Rise, 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 rise. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Feel the sunrise. Let the river flow. Oh yeah. I walk beside the river as the morning came alive. Golden light was dancing where the quiet waters glide. Every leaf was moving to a rhythm soft and slow, like the earth was whispering the things we need to know. Don't measure life in silver, don't count it all in gold. The richest heart is always the one that gives the soul. Every helping hand becomes a stronger tree, growing deep with love for every family. Lift your eyes above the storm, feel the sunlight keeping warm. Every road will lead somewhere if you walk with love and care. Rivers will remember every song we sing, every little kindness, every hope we bring. Stand together, heart to heart, side by side we stay. Love will guide our footsteps every single day. Children laugh like thunder rolling through the hills. Simple moments carry more than all our dreams and thrills. Even when the sky is filled with clouds of gray, hope is never farther than a prayer away. Keep your roots unshaken, let your branches rise. Every dream begins beneath the open skies. No mountain stands forever, no darkness wins the fight. The dawn is always waiting beyond ocean, feel the breeze. Oh. Ocean waves are dancing underneath the moon. Every heartbeat finds another gentle tune. Palm trees whisper secrets only dreamers know. Every little seed of hope begins to grow. Leave your worries drifting far into the sea. Life was always meant to set the spirit free. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Don't let go, don't lose control. Every sunrise brings a chance. Come together, sing and dance. Freedom in the breeze tonight. Everything will be alright. Love is stronger than the storm, keeping every spirit warm. Freedom in the breeze we find. Leave the heavy world behind. Brothers, sisters walking on the same old road, helping one another with the heaviest load. No one walks alone beneath this endless sky. Hope is always waiting if we only try. Hear the drums across the land, every heartbeat hand in hand. Peace begins inside the heart. That's where every journey starts. The breeze keeps calling, the waves keep rolling. Our song goes on forever, forever. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me de panja highway, whining on me face. Traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall, them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant. Faith abundant, me see the signs all overhead. So me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me, try to star, me try to flame. Still call Jah name, every curve me bend with care. Cause Jah there everywhere, Panja highway me trod. Guided by the hand of God, through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost. Them pay the cost, me stop and share a song. Help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless. No stress, me look on the horizon red. Hope ahead, me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place, me drive through life with grace. No ace, me live behind behind the fear. Me judge and near. Me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day. To Zion way, Panja highway me trod. Guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. Panja highway me roll. Clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Journey end, me meet me friend. Panja highway, me remain free from pain. Smoke and meditate, yeah man. Me see the towers reach the sky. But truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear, the world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time. Them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Free gum sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence Jah name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Was a tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child. Say justice nothing mild. Me see the father chant a prayer. Jah always there. Me see the system lose control. People claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line. Time for redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall. Me just answer jackal. Cause from the ruin come rebirth. New heaven, new earth. Me see the sunrise gold and red. A sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall but we still stand. Guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong. We build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way. No crown fit the wicked king. Only truth we sing. Me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth of the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon fall in no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. Bada bada wanna know, Dumbo spirit high. Jah rule the sky. 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 When the dust finally clear, no more hate, no more fear. Babylon falling, people free. Jah eternity. It goes meditation. Far away arise and glow. Light of Zion start to show. Break the night, remove the gloom. Light of hope inside the womb. Every
shadow disappear. Light of Jah forever near. Golden blaze across the land. Light of freedom in his hand. Traveler walk a weary mile. Horizon light restore the smile. Babylon crumble into dust. Light of Zion bring we trust. Every color paint the sky. Light of truth can never die. Glorious fire shining strong. Light of hope will lead along. River sparkle, mountain sing. Light of Zion crown the king. Children laugh and elder pray. Light of hope declare the day. Every valley, every road. Light of mercy ease the load. Torch of dawn forever sure. Light of freedom will endure. Even when the storm cloud rise, light still burning in the eyes. Even when the night is long, light still sing a righteous song. Guide the seeker, lift the poor. Light of Zion open door. Shining crown upon the plain. Light of hope forever. Hey, 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 hey. Glow, glow, horizon flame. Lift the world in Jah name. Rise, rise, morning bright. Light of Zion end the night. Glow, glow, horizon flame. Lift the world in Jah name. Rise, rise, morning bright. Light of Zion end the night. Light of the horizon shining clear. Carriage our presence always near. Never fading, never fall. Light of Zion bless us all. Forever glowing, bold and true. Light of horizon shine on you. Shine on